In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your hacked Instagram account without the email address and phone number. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If someone has hacked your Instagram account and now they have changed the email address and phone number as well, then in order to recover such an Instagram account, you need to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type my Instagram account has been memorialized. Scroll down and click on this let us know option. Now in order to recover your hacked Instagram account without the email address and phone number, you need to fill out this form. So first enter your full name. After that, enter the username of the Instagram account that has been hacked. Then enter the email address that was linked with your Instagram account. And in this additional info box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to provide all the details how your account was hacked, and now the hacker has changed the email address and phone number as well. Once you have done that, click on the send option, and once you click on send, within the next 24 hours your hacked Instagram account will be recovered without the email address and phone number. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.